It is still right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so this is what we saw. Okay, IPO. So they will contact to the public and then they will go for the see. This is the cooling period actually. Okay, once they are going into the IPO, there is a timeline that they will tell. Okay, this IPO is open for 2 to 3 days. People will be start bidding in that IPO. So what happens here now? Whole system is automated now. Okay, they will, if you are applying an IPO for any company by your broker or bank will block your amount actually. And this, mind you, this will be in a lot actually. They will tell that at least you have to buy 150 lot. Okay, so it means at least you should apply for 150 shares in a lot actually. You should apply in a lot and in one lot 150 shares are there. Okay, suppose one share will cost 100 rupees. It means 15,000 rupees. You have to, if you want to apply in this bid, at least 15,000 rupees you should block actually. Okay, 15,000 rupees. So lot into share price. Suppose if the share is between 100 to 105, and if you are bidding on the lower end actually, so 150 into 100. If you are bidding on the upper hand, then 150 into 105. That much quantity needs to be blocked with whom actually? With the broker or with the bank. See, you can apply via bank or via your broker or under physical form. Nobody is filling now physical form and applying directly. See, what happens is that these agents, like a bank or a broker, will act as an agent. Okay, they will tell that you are applying for a share. We will make sure that your money is in safe hand. Actually, see, suppose after 3 days, the when the IPO will close. Okay, after a week or 4 5 days, they will announce the result. These are the people who we have allotted the shares. Okay, so if suppose your name is not there, then there is no need for you to run behind the company to return back your money. Your money will be blocked with the bank or with the broker. So immediately he will unfreeze your amount and he will give you back. Okay, first he will freeze your amount and he will block your amount. Okay, and he will keep it himself. If you are getting the share, he will give back to the company and he will give you the shares. Understood? Not understood. I will tell you. See, this is, I will explain you. Okay, just you be here with me. So this is the fifth part. Fourth part we have done.
Bank is as a middleman.
Yeah. Bank will act as a middleman. See, there are three parties that is applying that that is there in the IPO. Okay, this is an IPO. This is a process for the IPO. Okay, this is the IPO. Okay, so there are three parties that is getting involved. Okay, one is you. Okay, you want to apply for the IPO for XYZ company, ABC company, ABC. Okay, company. Now, first party is you. That is Isha. Second thing is this is an agent actually. Okay, he will agent. So agent is whom actually? Agent broker with whom you have the demat account. Okay, or the bank actually. Okay, and there is an exchange also that we will learn. But and the third party is the company itself actually. Fun. You want to apply for the IPO? Who want to apply? Isha, and they will go via broker. So your money will be freeze here actually. Your money will be freeze with him. See, first level you are going to apply via your broker or bank. You cannot apply. You can apply. You can buy. You can just apply to the company portal and then But the thing is that most of the people, I think 99.9% of people, they are applying via some agent actually. To be on the safe side, because what happens is that if you are going to the company and applying, the chances are there. Nowadays system is very fast actually, but it is best to apply with the bank or via broker actually, because what is happening to this, when you are applying with them, they will block your money with themselves. In case if shares are allotted to you, they will give you the shares and your money to the ABC company. Because see, if you are applying in 15,000 rupees, like I have calculated how 150 lot into 100 rupees share price into 100 you will do, it means 15,000 rupees you will give to the agent. He will block your money. If in case you are getting the share, what you will get? You will get the shares. Okay, I will make it in different color. You will get the shares. Okay, shares you will get. Okay, and your money, what you have blocked with him, he will give to the company. See, because you are purchasing, he has to give the money to them. So, it is acting safe side on both the company wise also and you also. You also cannot tell that after they will allot you the shares. Now I don't want to buy. You have to buy because your money is blocked with the bank or the broker. In the same way, money is shares are not allotted to you. You don't need to chase to the company, give my money back. See, he will unfreeze your money and he will give you back in just one day. So, this is a safeguard with safeguarding you also and company also. See, both the way fraud can happen, or the person can change their mind actually. So he will act as a middleman. Okay, agent. Yes, we can tell agent. Understood, right?
Yeah.
Clear. Okay. So see, what happens is that suppose ABC company, okay, will give you the shares. So you will get the share. Your money will go to the company. What will happen? This is the first source in which uh, the company is coming to the people and they are allotting. Now, suppose you got this, what will happen? Okay, now you have purchased shares. Okay, now as we have learned, now the third party will come in place. Exchanges actually. Okay, exchange will come in place. Now, after certain time actually, after you can say a week actually, they will allot you the shares. And now, if you want to sell the shares again, to whom you will sell? There is an exchange. See the company, what we have learned, company is a member of the exchange. Huh? This is what we have learned, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Company is a member of the exchange. With exchange, NSC and BSC. This company, okay. This is, I will tell the BSC, Bombay Stock Exchange, and this is the National Stock Exchange, NSC. Okay, once you will get the share, as this company is a member, these shares will get listed here. Okay, so when they are getting listed here, now you are not interacting with the company. Whatever you want to do, buy, sell, hold, you have to do on the exchange only. Because company is a member of the exchange. Huh? So it will get, shares will get listed. See, this market is called the secondary market. Okay. Where the shares are getting listed after the IPO, it will get listed into the secondary market. Secondary market is a market of exchange actually. We call it secondary market, market of exchange. Okay, where it is a member. So if suppose it is a member of both the exchanges, it will get listed. Okay, shares will get listed in the BSC as well as shares will get listed in the NSC. I hope it is clear. Now, if you want to sell, all people like you who have got the shares, they will be trading out here in the exchange. You interact, you deal with them now. Company is not in role actually. Company is not involved. Companies have traded, listed his shares. Company was wanting to raise money. That goal is achieved. That goal is achieved. Okay, whatever you want to do now, do into the secondary market from the exchange. Okay. So this is called the secondary. See the IPO market. What we have learned is that before that actually there was a market of IPO market. Okay, this market is called the primary market. Okay, first market, primary market, primary source where company is going to the with the people and they are telling we need money. Now secondary market because people like you. Suppose there are 10,000 shares that they have given. 10,000 people are there who have taken the shares of the company. They are going to come to secondary market. Okay, understood? Clear? See, this is the background which I am creating for you. Okay, when I will teach you the light trading, things will get clear to you.
Okay.
Okay, this is just, suppose if you are learning to make sambar, I will tell you what are the spices that is required. Okay, and what is their use. If I am saying you red chili, it means I will telling you the taste. Okay, it is bitter, or don't put it much. It is salt, it is sweet. So this is all I'm getting. Okay, when I will show you, then things will get clear. But this thing should be clear, right? Easy.
Yeah, easy.
But you will get questions. There is no issue. See, the thing is that if your logic should be clear, it is easy for us to train you. So this is just you can tell ABCD and TCU. Primary market and the secondary market. But again and again, as I am recording this session, when I will share all the things with you, you revise these sessions. Okay, I am recording this session, don't worry. So this is the seventh. Okay. So now this is the secondary market. Now, what are the functions and how which are the parties which is getting involved? We'll see it. Okay.
What about the primary market?
See, the primary market is the only market where you are interacting with the company and you are taking shares from them, and company needs money. Okay. After they are becoming the member, now after the shares will get listed, primary market is not no more. You only have to deal in the secondary market. Okay, second step. Okay, because we have to go ahead now. Eighth. So how the structure of trading and which parties are involved? We'll see. Okay, secondary market we'll see. Okay, so there are three parties that is getting involved here in the secondary market. Okay, the first thing is that the trader or investor. We'll see what are traders and what are investors. Okay, suppose I will take your name, Isha. Isha is getting involved in the secondary market because you have got the shares of ABC Bank. Now you have to go ahead in the secondary market and whatever trade you want to do, buy, sell, hold, you will be okay. So, and you are there, so there is exchange that is getting involved. But what happens is that exchange also will not come directly into picture. Whatever trading you have to do, whatever things you have to do, there is an agent that they have member. Say company have listed its shares, but when the trading will happen, there is also a agent of the exchange which will help you in doing trading. So who is this agent actually? We'll see. Okay, they are called the brokers actually. Like suppose you just ask from Rahul actually, he is having one account, demat account from your name. Okay, so that is the agent of Rahul. Broker is an agent. Agent of whom actually? Agent of the exchange. Of the exchange. Okay, so this is I will put both the exchanges here, NSC and the BSC. So here you are here actually. Isha is here. Okay, and this is the broker, and this is the exchange, and with this yes, BSC, Bombay Stock Exchange. Sorry, I have changed. Bombay Stock Exchange and the NSE, National Stock Exchange. Okay, see, you have the shares. Shares what? You have the shares of ABC company. Okay, which we have made one company, ABC company. Okay, you have the shares for ABC company. Whatever you want to do with these shares, after you have got the shares, you have to go via broker, because this share it listed where actually. This share we know that it is listed here in the exchanges. Okay, this share is listed both the places, NSE as well as the BSC. Okay, this is listed here, listed in exchanges, because company is a member of both the exchanges. But whatever you want to do, trade, buy, sell, you have to go via broker, via middleman. Say, if you want to sell this share, you should have a demat account with the broker. You cannot tell NSE and BSE that my share is still, yes, company is still with them, but still, okay, but still, you cannot trade directly and you cannot tell NSE to buy and sell share for you. See, this is the agent of the exchange. This agent will help you in buying and selling of the shares. Clear or not?
Clear, but the thing is, if I am having the shares of the company, I can directly do it. No? Why do I need an agent?
See, this is the thing actually. There is a process in which the whole system has been designed. Okay, everything cannot be handled by NSE and BSE. They need some people to assist them. Okay, to to make this process in a systematic manner, they have appointed an agent actually. This agent have taken a license from NSE and BSE that I can sell shares on behalf of my client with you and I can buy also for them. From my account, I will buy from my shares. So see, this is a process in which this system is running from over years. I don't know if there is any process which will come in place which will tell that you can buy directly from anything. Till now, it is not there. Till now, you have to go via broker. Broker, you know what happens is that once you are buying any share, actually, okay, we'll also learn about the digital locker now. So you have buy a share, what is the digital locker? We'll learn about this. Okay. So now you understood. See, if you buy any share, you have if now shares is with you. Suppose if you want to sell this share, now shares has came and you want to sell. Then it means you want to sell out share, sell the shares, and what you want? You want money after you will sell the share. I will make it red. You want to sell out your share. This is in red. And what you want? You want money. So how it will happen? Okay, sell the shares and what you want? Money. You want money. Okay. If you want to sell the share, you have to tell to your broker. It means the order that you will place, you will tell to your broker. Okay. Broker will sell. Where? He will sell in the exchange itself. But you have to go via broker. Okay. If I can make any arrow here. Yes. You will go via broker and broker will sell in the exchange. Once he will sell in the exchange, your money, where it will come? It will come to the broker account. Your money will come to the broker account. Okay, because when you will sell, it means there is a buyer who wants to purchase. Okay, he will come to the exchange. Again, that buyer will be telling his broker to purchase share from me. Okay, so once he will sell, money will come where actually? Money will come into the broker account. Okay, after your share will be sold, money will come in the broker account. Okay, so after that, when the money will come in his account, you can take your money from his account. Okay, money will come in the broker account and then you can take it. See, whatever you want to do, you have to do via broker. First, money will come in his account and then you can transfer your money in your own personal account. But the first money will come in his account actually. Okay, and then you can, as your husband is having account, just take the login detail password and show you there in the portal. Okay, money will be there always in the broker account. It is you who place the request to transfer in your bank account, and then you can link because there is one customer ID portal they will give you. Everything will come in that when you will place. Then from the broker account, the money will be transferred to your account. But everything has to be done by a okay. Okay. So,
But the
like
same broker is having the same request by another one. He's a broker of yours also and mine also. I want to sell, you want to buy. Then does he need to go to NSD and
See, it is everything is online now. Everything is automated. Suppose the person who is buying, he is having different broker. Okay. So when the broker will sell, broker to broker transfer will be done. First phase of transfer will be done broker by a broker. Okay. Suppose here you are selling your shares and you want money. It means the other person will be crediting his money into the broker account. Okay. And then broker via broker. Okay. B2B. Broker will transfer to other broker account and then you can place a request that this is the money in my account. I want to transfer in my bank. Okay. So this is the whole structure. Okay. Understood? Okay. We were thinking, okay, now we will learn about the digital locker. Okay. So what is the digital locker? This is also interesting. You have your bank account and everything you are keeping in your bank account. Okay. So you have a locker. You are not keeping in your pockets and you are going home. Your cash you are keeping in your bank, either private bank, anyway, or either public sector bank. In the same way, prior to this, some years, decades actually, I think 20 years before or 15, more than years, they were keeping all the shares in physical form, physical copy. Like you have the papers. Okay, papers. They will keep in papers. Everything in paper. Company will send you a paper, and that paper you will keep. But paper can you can lose your paper here and there, and it can fall somewhere, or you can just you don't know where you have kept it. And there are many issues in keeping the same physical forms. Everything is online now. Everything. You have bank account online. Prior to this, we were not being able to transfer money from here and there. But now, tuck, 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 click, and money is gone. In the same way, keeping in mind the current situations, they have kept make the digital locker for the shares. Now you have the shares of ABC Bank that we have learned. Okay. Now where you are going to keep it actually? Because now the physical copy they are not sending it now. Okay, they are only everything is lockerized. Now you have the demat account. Okay, so this is where we will see the parties. This is you, is a having the ABC company share. Okay, and this is your broker. We'll just learn. Any broker is there. I just want to know, and then I will be using it. Just ask the name and everything. Okay, you are broker. Your broker. Share Khan. Okay, fine. Share Khan. It is fine. Okay. Now, when you will purchase share of ABC company, your broker, when you are opening your account, he will be opening your account with depositories. Okay, your broker will open your account with the depositories. Okay, there are two major depositories which are acting as a digital locker. Okay, CDSL. Okay, Central Depository Security Limited. Okay, we'll just see what is this. And NSDL, National Securities Depository Limited. Okay, I will just write over here. Let me take. Okay, and this is National Security Depository Limited. Okay, see, most of the brokers are having the account with CDSL. See, both are government bodies, both are, you can trust. So these are the digital lockers. Okay, they will help you to keep your shares in the digital form, digital locker. They will keep your shares in the digital locker with safe actually, because you want to keep with them, right? Where you will keep. Okay, so your shares are there with the digital locker, which will keep them safe with them. Okay, so when you are opening your demat account here with the broker, along with your demat account actually, demat account is for the delivery based trading. See, now there are, we will just to learn this detail locker and then we will go what kind of trades you can do here. Okay, so this is clear, right?
Yeah.
Detail locker, huh?
For this, we need an ID and all for digital locker.
See, everything will be opened by your broker. When you are opening your demat account with the broker, so at that time only he will provide you the digital locker demat account. Where with the either any one of the depositories, either CDSL or NSDL. He will inform you actually with whom he has opened your demat account. So in that only he will be keeping your. See why it is important is that on the other day, it can happen that broker can sell your share and keep the money in his account because every transaction is done by his account and he will not give you then. So this is the external body by government which will keep your share with safe. So it will safeguard you with your broker. So nowadays, OTP are there. Broker cannot sell your share without your OTPs. The phone number which you will update with your broker and which your any of the depositories, they are going to send you the OTP. So the broker cannot do fraud and he cannot sell your shares and keep the money in his account without your consent. Okay, so this is a very secured way. Actually, now things have become transparent here actually. Okay, it is also the safeguarding the because there are so many frauds which is happening every day. It is happening. How we can they cannot make system zero fee fraud, but they can reduce the the way the fraud, like if suppose it was, yeah, I don't know whether you have heard of Carvi have done a fraud with the broker. It has the same way actually. They sold the shares because this money is coming in their account and they have transferred that money in their other accounts. So after that they have came. So you should update your mobile number with your broker and depositories so that the OTP will come while and then there are some settings that you should do while setting the OTP will send and then
Is
so
there any limitations of buying only so much or something if I am having
there is
account?
no limitations, but the broker will be and also there is they will be checking your records. Like if you will say that you have a salary, if you update your salary of 5 lakhs rupees, you are earning 5 lakhs rupees, suppose for example, and if some other day, because you have to update here PAN card also. If you are buying shares more than 1 crore or 2 crores, then there can be a question from income tax because they everything is tracked here actually. They are tracking each and every day, everything now, every transaction has to be tracked because there are cases of money laundering. Money laundering. See, there is Hawala money, taking the black money and turning into white. So there are some certain people who are involved in this process actually. So before you are opening, they will do your KYC. KYC it means know your customer. Ask from him what is his salary bracket, and every transaction is getting tracked there. So we should be very cautious actually here. And they will not mind if suppose a person of 5 rupees is doing a trading of 20 lakh rupees. It is fine actually. But a certain jump, say we have our bank account. Yeah, and we have shared some slab here that this is salary we are earning. If suppose on the other day, if my account will be having 1 crore, which has been transferred from any other account, immediately they will block my account. And they are going to call me that from where this money is coming from. See, because they know what is the earning potential. So they have set a limit for this. And it is a limit set by RBI with the banks. And here CB is involved, Security Exchange Board of India. We'll see what is on CB is actually, who are the governing authorities. Okay, CB is there, we'll see. but this is understood. Here ninth, I will be sharing 10th actually. Digital locker, okay, we have understood. Now I have to, we'll just go to the slides and we'll see what are the things that it put on here. Governing authorities, capital market equity, type of capital market is we have done. Corporate understanding, syntax we have done, insights, basics of capital market we have saw. This I think we'll cover. So this is the shares actually, okay. So here we have learned about the equities, okay. Equity. This is the ABC company. Like in the same way, there are various other instruments or asset class which are getting traded here, okay. Equity you have learned about, okay. Company is there, keep on source money. So when you are taking the shares of ABC company, you are becoming the equity shareholder. It means you are having the ownership of that company. See, these are the 10,000 people whom which shares have been given. They are the owners in their own capacity. If you have a worth of 100 rupees of shares, it means you are the owner of 1 lakh rupees of that much worth of that company. You are, but it is not like that, that if you have the shares, then company will share profit with you. See, owners in what way actually? Owners, when the company will do good actually. See, if the company is doing good, the shares will be doing also good, that equivalent amount. Okay, suppose for example, the company which we have learned about ABC company, if he is growing at a rate of 25%, okay, and if you have a share worth rupees 100 rupees, so every year it should also grow by 25%. It means in the next year your share will be priced at 125 rupees, and then you keep adding on it, because as the company will perform well, his shares, all the things will be coming in their price. And if you have 1 lakh rupees of shares, it means 25,000 you are earning every year with the performance of the company. But in case if the company is earning good profit and if they are sharing dividend, then also you are eligible for the dividend. So dividend are giving out of the profit actually. Okay, company can tell that this year I have earned 10 lakhs rupees. I want to give 50% of dividend. It means 5 lakh rupees I want to distribute. This 5 lakh rupees will be divided among the 10,000 people. And in that, whatever is your block, you will get as per your capital or shares that you are holding. Okay, as per that. So because they have to divide among so many people, they cannot tell we will only give to Isha. They cannot do this kind of bias. Everything has to be divided among equally among all the shareholders at the same time. Okay, this is your earning. See, this is equity. Okay. In the same way, we have learned that there are two major exchanges, that is the NSC and the BSC. Okay. In the same way, there is one exchange that is called the MCX, Commodity Exchange. Okay. So we will just, I'll just open a slide for commodity. We will just see. Okay, MCX. You can just have a look for this MCX, multi commodity exchange. Okay, this is the exchange for the commodities. Like you have gold, silver. So these are the commodity which are getting traded actually. See, there is also exchange for commodity market, and the item which you eat actually is also getting traded here. We'll see. If you will open this MCX and you will go in products, as soon as you will open the products, there are so many commodities that is getting traded here. Okay, you will see gold, silver, aluminium, copper, lead, nickel, zinc, and gas, natural gas, crude oil, cotton, kapas, metha oil, rubber. These are the agri commodity which is getting traded here. Like in the same way, If you will go into the gold, it will be traded in the lot size actually. Okay, we'll see the lot size. We can see the prices. So we will see what are futures and what are options, but I am only talking about the asset class which is getting traded here. Okay, gold is also getting traded here. In the same way, you can also check the prices of gold. I think market data. We can just go into the market data, and if you will see the market watch, we'll just see future options we'll learn, but I think in the next class it will come. But just to learn, I am just telling you which are the asset class which is getting traded here. Okay, so these are the future market. Okay, so this is the future commodity. If I will talk about the gold, so the gold price is reflected here. Like open is this one, and high is 52,000. If you will check in the current market, it will be running in the same price. See now everything is getting transparent here. See, exchange is a way where the transparency is there actually. Okay, so this is the way where you can track. See, now if your share ABC, if it is getting listed on the exchange, okay, if there are 10,000 people, or if there are 10 lakhs people, or 10 crore people, 10 crore people will see the price of ABC bank equal. You cannot tell that I am seeing 5 rupees and other person will tell I am seeing 15 rupees. Because the price is listed here actually. Okay, on the web pages, and everything is in exchange via exchange mode actually. Okay, so everything is transparent. But if the exchange is not involved, it means if you will call to agent can tell that the price is 45,000. He can revise the price and he can mislead you. This is the reason why exchange is getting involved here. They are bringing a podium, or a system where they are listing the price of the share, and everybody can track the price at the same time, and everybody will see equal actually. So here we can see that this secondary market is bringing transparency. Okay, via the some place actually where the traders are there, buyers and sellers are there. Okay. So IPO we saw. See, debentures, see, there are various ways actually in which we saw the company can raise money. Okay, company can raise money via equity, like we saw ABC. This ABC bank, can also go, and they can also tell that we want to raise money via debentures. Okay, this they can also tell, but when they will issue a debentures, it means they can raise money from people, but they have to pay interest actually. Because if they are giving debenture, suppose if they are raising 1 crore rupees actually, then they will set a interest on that. Like we will pay you 10% every year, and they have to pay on periodic basis. See, equity shareholders are not entitled for any interest. They will only be earning when the company financial is doing good. If company is performing good, see, it will come reflect in the share price. Okay, but debenture holders, if company tell I will issue my debentures, okay, and I will pay 10% per year. It means periodic they have to pay 10% to the debenture holders. Okay, and but the thing is that, and in the last there will be an expiry. Debenture is for certain period they will issue. Like they will tell we are giving you a debenture for 3 years. At the end of the 3 year, we will also return back your capital. But the thing is that here actually company will tell that I will give you the interest 10%. But again, when they are issuing the debentures, it is you are not asking any security to them. These are the unsecured way of taking the money from the people. Okay, nowadays debentures are also getting listed in the exchange, NSDL. Okay, but the thing is that at any point of time, company will tell, I don't have money, I will not pay you. I don't have money, I cannot pay you 10%. Even your principal, whatever you have given to me is lost.
The main amount also is lost, the dividend.
There is no security. See, this is I will tell you, this is again capital market. See, this is also a source where they most company are going and they are also giving the debentures for the bonds, corporate bonds. But again, if big companies are there, they will pay the interest. But I will tell you, these are the unsecured ways. At any point of time, company will tell that I cannot pay you. Even you cannot sue because you have invested in the risky asset class. These are risky asset class actually, equity debentures. Now there is come the preference shareholders. First is called the equity shareholders, preference shareholders actually. See the title is different actually. So if the company is issuing preference shares, it means these preference shareholders can get preference dividend also. See, first is equity shareholders and you are getting dividend on that. Okay, second is that preference shareholders and preferred dividend. Two things. Wait, we'll see. See this you got right? Debentures you got.
Debentures I got. If a company is running in full profit, then they don't want to pay. They can.
See, it is a sole conclusion of the company whether to pay dividend or not. Company can tell I don't want to pay. I want to reinvest in my business. I will not pay. You cannot sue the company. See, this is not a secured asset class. This is not a FD where you can tell, hey, you give me. Bank, you why you are not giving interest. Bank can tell I am in loss. What should I do? I have this is my FD. You give me interest on this.
So here we don't have any brokers or anything.
See, again, debenture holder you can purchase directly from the company. Direct company will sell you. Again, in equity, once it will go to the secondary market, you can buy and sell via broker actually. Nowadays, everything we are listed on the exchange actually. See, every product class you take actually. Nowadays, every product class is having the two market, primary market and secondary market. Here also in the same way actually. Okay. See, again, we will see the two form of equity. One, I was telling you the equity. Second, I was saying you the preference equity. Preference equity, okay? Preference shareholders. See, the weightage of preference shareholders are more than the equity shareholders. See, equity shareholders are the one which, they will get if there are preference shareholders. It means preference by what actually they will prefer. Okay, their weightage is more. So when the company will give dividend, if they have some preference shareholders, then these preference shareholders will be the first who will be receiving the dividend because will be getting the preference dividend. Okay, so two way, but most of the times company are giving the equities. Okay, they have the preference dividend, but on a very less amount actually. Most of the companies are giving the equity shareholders, not preference shareholders, because their rights are more difference. Okay. So in the
shareholders get more amount or the same amount?
see actually what happens is that suppose ABC company is there. Okay, it can go to any HNI and it can tell I need money. See, exchange is a system where everything has to be done systematically. It's a lengthy process actually. Company don't have time. I cannot become a member. I don't have time. I need money in 2 or 3 days or in a very fast way. They can go to any HNI or they can go to any venture capitalist. You can tell them, I will give you the preference shares of my company. Okay, you are entitled for dividend and I will also give you a stake. You give me 25 crores rupees now. You will become the stakeholder and I will give the preference shares. But these will be not listed actually. If you want, if you want to sell, you can sell to me only. Okay. Or either you can just take a stake in the profit. If I am earning 100 crores, I will do 30% profit per year. Okay. So in this way, they are raising without any help. But when they are raising equity, they have to go via exchange and brokers will be involved, demat account, everything will come in picture now. Then okay, understood? I think yes. I think today is enough for you. I will be. I will share. I will share the slides with you. Okay, Isha?
Yeah.
Just give me some time. Wait. Okay, wait. Before you leave, I want to talk to you regarding